Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will compare FreshBooks and Wave to find out which works the best for freelancers in Canada. If you're based in Canada and want to find out what is the best accounting software for you between the two, then watch this video to the end. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's get into this. FreshBooks pricing starts with a monthly price of $19, while FreshBooks' 4 plans have fairly industry standard pricing like Light, Plus, Premium, and Select. While Wave starts at a price of $0 and contains a couple of plans named Starter and Pro, both Wave and FreshBooks help you keep a close eye on your finances via income and expense tracking. Once you connect your business bank accounts and credit cards with your preferred software, Wave with the paid plan or FreshBooks with all plans automatically pull in transaction data to keep you up to date on your finances. FreshBooks' cheapest plan relies on the single-entry accounting system, which is less accurate than the more widely accepted double-entry system. Both Wave and FreshBooks have excellent invoice templates that are easy to customize and send to clients. Both accounting products let you accept payments within the invoice, set up automatic recurring invoices, and send payment deadline reminders. Technically, both Wave Accounting and FreshBooks let you add unlimited users to your account. However, Wave Accounting lets you do so at no additional cost, whereas FreshBooks charges a per-user fee. Wave Accounting doesn't have a built-in time tracking tool. FreshBooks, in contrast, has an excellent time tracking feature built into every plan. It's easy to track time. FreshBook contains excellent invoice features, customizations, and automations. For instance, with FreshBooks, you can attach expenses to your invoices for reimbursement, sync time tracking data to each invoice, schedule automatic late payment charges, and connect with your customers via FreshBooks client self-service portal. As Wave has completely free accounting software plan, double entry accounting with general ledger and chart of accounts, unlimited users, bank account syncing, and business management with paid plan. With that information, you can easily decide which app fits your needs and what works for you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.